Hello guys, welcome to this channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit that notification bell to get updated from us. Today in this video, I'm going to teach you to create your Snapchat account. Make sure that you are connected to your Wi-Fi and you have installed Snapchat app on your device. This process is going to be similar for Android and iOS device. Now let's get started. Open your Snapchat app. Here we go. At the bottom, you can see login and sign up. Tap on sign up. Tap on don't allow. Now enter your first name and last name. After you are done, tap on sign up and accept on that blue icon. Now select your birth date. After you are done, tap on continue on that blue icon. Now set your new username for yourself. Tap on change my username. After you are done, tap on continue on that blue icon. Now set a password for your Snapchat account. After you are done, tap on continue on that blue icon. Here you have to enter your email so that in the future you can recover your Snapchat account. After you are done, you can tap on continue on that blue icon. You can skip this process. Now tap on continue on that blue icon. Here you can add your friends or skip this process. For now, I'll be skipping this process. Tap on skip, or also you can create with camera, but for now I will be tapping on skip. In this way, you can create your Snapchat account. I hope this video helped you. At last, make sure to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.